Foodies, today we Kid Chef are going to share the recipe with you. It is Indian sweet made of a millet. It is the poor man's grain. Want to know what it is? It is Ragi. We will share the recipe with you. It is Ragiladdu. Excited now?
Yeah, let's start.
Now we are going to tell the 5 ingredients. The first ingredient, the fried ragi flour, 1 cup, half cup of sugar, grated coconut 3/4 cup, half cup of ghee and the decorating topping cashew. Let's start the preparation. We need a cup of ragi, a cup of sugar, grated coconut and half cup of oil. Let's mix. While mixing, I will tell you some advantages to you. Ragi is highly nutritious and rich in iron. Rancho, this is for you. It has good amount of calcium.
Oh, I can eat good chunks.
You don't need lots of ghee. You can add little milk. Mix it well like a dough. Rancho, can you give me an extra bowl?
Yeah, of course.
Take the dough in your hand and let's make laddus. Now drop it in the bowl. Let's use cashew for decorating. Let's make entire dough into laddus. It's done. Magic! If you want to add more coconut, it will be yum. Rancho, want to taste one?
Yum. Cool.
If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon to see lot more food series coming on the way. Your kitchen, Nesta,
Sumukh,
signing off. Foodies, today we Foodies, today we Rancho, it is excited.
No.
Rancho.